Today, we're diving into a topic that's hotter than a laptop left in the sun. AI tools and ethics, what you need to know before using them. Or, as I like to call it, what happens when your digital assistant takes a day off and decides to run for president. Seriously though, if your AI ever starts giving speeches about universal basic income, just know it's time to check its programming. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to appreciate that AI is now more than just a cool feature on our phones. AI brings many advantages, especially when used ethically. It's no longer just about answering questions. Now, AI can create content for digital products like creation of images, video content, movies, voices, and a lot more. The progress of AI has made in recent months is impressive, and there's no limit to what it can do next. It's transforming industries, reshaping our lives, and let's be honest, sometimes making us feel like we're living in a sci-fi movie. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to consider before letting AI do your homework, or, take over the world. First off, let's talk about what AI tools really are. In simple terms, AI tools are software applications that use artificial intelligence to perform tasks. Think of them as your overachieving friend who always knows the answers, except they never steal your fries. From chatbots answering customer queries to image generators creating stunning visuals, AI tools can make our lives easier. They can automate repetitive tasks, analyze vast amounts of data, and even generate creative content. But here's the kicker, these tools are only as good as the data they're trained on. Imagine asking a chatbot to help with a sensitive issue and it gives you the wrong advice. So knowing the limitations of AI is crucial. They're great at data processing, but they lack emotional intelligence. And we all know how that goes, right? Ever tried explaining your feelings to a robot? It usually ends with you feeling like a character in a bad sci-fi movie. So before you dive headfirst into using these tools, you need to understand what they can and cannot do. Now, let's jump into the ethical side of things. You might be thinking, ethics? Isn't that what I skipped in college? But trust me, ethics is the backbone of AI. Here are a few key ethical issues to consider. First, bias. AI systems learn from data, and if that data is biased, guess what? The AI will be too, just like how my grandma thinks all kids are on TikTok dancing instead of studying. Second, privacy. With AI collecting data, where does your information go? Are we really okay with a virtual assistant knowing what we had for lunch yesterday? I mean, if my AI starts recommending lettuce wraps after I've had 3 slices of pizza, we're going to have a problem. Third, accountability. If an AI makes a mistake, who's responsible? The developer, the user, or the AI itself? I mean, I wouldn't want to be held accountable for something a robot did. Imagine explaining that in court. Your Honor, my toaster burned the house down because it misunderstood my bagel preferences. So, it's essential to approach AI with a clear ethical framework. We need to ensure we're not just creating smarter tools, but also responsible ones. Otherwise, we might end up in a world where AI is the judge, jury, and executioner, literally. All right, you're probably wondering how to navigate this ethical maze. Here are some tips to help you use AI tools responsibly. 1. Understand the tool. Before you dive in, take the time to learn how the AI works. Read the documentation and know its capabilities and limitations. Just like you wouldn't buy a car without knowing how to drive, don't jump into AI without knowing how it functions. 2. Question the data. Always check the data being used by the AI. If it's biased or flawed, it'll lead to skewed results. Think of it as reading the ingredients before eating that mystery meat sandwich. You never know what you might find. 3. Set boundaries. Be clear about what you want the AI to do and what you expect from it. Treat it like a toddler, give clear instructions, and keep a watchful eye. 4. Regular audits. Conduct regular audits of AI processes and outcomes. This is like taking your AI tool to the doctor for a checkup. Make sure it's healthy, unbiased, and functioning as intended. 5. Stay informed. AI is evolving fast. Keep up with the latest news and updates regarding ethical standards and best practices in the industry. Subscribe to relevant newsletters, follow thought leaders on social media, and attend workshops or webinars. Now, let's look at a couple of real-life examples where ethics in AI really mattered. First up, we have facial recognition technology. While it's incredibly useful for security purposes, it has raised concerns about racial profiling and surveillance. Many companies are taking a step back, reevaluating their use of this tech, and implementing stricter guidelines. For example, in 2020, several major cities in the US decided to ban facial recognition technology due to these ethical concerns. Another example is the use of AI in hiring processes. Companies need to ensure that AI isn't perpetuating bias against certain demographics. After all, the last thing we need is a hiring tool that decides who gets an interview based on their favorite pizza topping. Organizations like Amazon had to scrap their AI hiring tool because it was biased against women. This led to the realization that if you want to create a diverse and inclusive workplace, you need to be careful about how you use AI in your recruitment process. So, what does the future hold for AI and ethics? Well, it's a mixed bag. On one hand, advancements in AI are going to lead to amazing innovations that we can't even imagine yet. On the other hand, the ethical implications will become even more complex. This is why it's crucial for developers, businesses, and users alike to prioritize ethical considerations as we move forward. Imagine a world where AI not only enhances our productivity but also respects our privacy, promotes fairness, and upholds human rights. Think of it as a relationship. You wouldn't want a partner who makes you feel uncomfortable or undervalued, right? We need to build AI that complements our values and enhances our lives without crossing ethical boundaries. So, to wrap it up, using AI tools can be a game changer, but it's our responsibility to use them wisely. Just like you wouldn't trust your cat to babysit your kids, don't blindly trust AI without understanding its ethics. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI and digital marketing insights. Remember, stay smart, stay ethical, and keep questioning the robots. Until next time.